Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. The official media launch for legendary reggae singer Bob Marley's 75th birthday celebrations took place over the weekend at Tough Gong Studio in Kingston. The event saw organizers unveiling plans for this year's Diamond Jubilee, which is under the theme Marley 75 Redemption. The list of activities leading up to Bob Marley's February 6th birthday was also announced.
It's going to be a full day of activities as usual. The Bob Marley Foundation is responsible for spearheading this celebration. So we start off in the morning, like at sunrise, and we give thanks with blessings, we blow the abeng, and we bring in different cultures to come and integrate in the space for what is essentially a cultural celebration.
Bob Marley's 75th celebration event will culminate with a live concert featuring the Marley Brothers and the brand ambassadors.
Well, first things first, as you saw, Ziggy himself made the announcement, so that's the biggest thing that you can look forward to. Ziggy Marley returning to Jamaica for a major event, especially for his father. And then, of course, the other brothers will be joining him. We have a host of top local acts. We have the Marley grandchildren who will be gracing the stage. And then we have our ambassadors. But what you can look forward to in the coming weeks are our workshops. And that will be aimed at developing young talents, giving them some guidance in terms of what they should do, what's best practice in the business, to include booking agents, the digital media landscape, and of course film. So how do you monetize your music? How do you get it in film?
The launch event saw performances from some of Bob Marley's 75 musical ambassadors, which included singers Kim Nain and Jador, as well as dancer and choreographer Catherine Reed. The event is slated for February 6, 2020 and will be held at the Bob Marley Museum. The theme for the Diamond Jubilee was inspired by Bob Marley's hit track Redemption Song, which is his last single before his death on May 11 in 1981. The track is featured on his 9th album dubbed Uprising and was produced by Chris Blackwell and released by Island Records. Now, reggae artist Etana is gearing up for her 2020 Spread the Love World Tour. The tour begins January 17 and will see the Grammy-nominated artist making stops in Sydney, Melbourne and New Zealand. The tour will end on March 22. Etana had a successful 2019 following her year-long Reggae Forever World Tour, which came to an end in December. The tour saw the Strong One performing in 36 states. She made stops in Kenya, Leeds, Germany, Denmark, Austria and Canada. A part of her list of accomplishments for 2019 was the release of her EP dubbed Dimensions, which landed at number 2 on the UK iTunes and number 4 on the US iTunes charts. The EP consists of 8 tracks and features collaborations with Beenie Man and Pressure Busspipe. The EP was the follow-up to her Grammy-nominated album Reggae Forever. Etana is currently in the studio working on her 7th studio album, which is slated for release this summer. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. Thank you for watching.